Welcome to Volksam 2025 McCalla, Alabama, and thanks for watching. Now let's check out some of the coolest, wildest, and most original Volkswagens in the Southeast. Don't forget, if you like this content then, like, share, and subscribe to Riverbank Customs on YouTube.
Well, what a morning. I'm running around here, lost, looking for keys that are in my hand. Just one of them days. I just wanted to show you the update on the 65. We're here, Tannehill State Park, Volksam 2025. Another hot summer in Alabama, hot August day. We're gonna get out here and float this creek here in a minute and cool off. Just have a good time. There's a lot of cars already here. This show's growing every year. It's gonna be really cool. I see the Riverbank Customs crew already there. Thank you to them. Guys, I have been overly blessed with the amount of support that our group has received. It's just incredible. Growing every day. Look at there. Look at there. Friends and family. Y'all know how I am about my friends and about my family. God love them. Check out Mr. Don Mims' new bus. We'll look at it real close this weekend. Proud for him. So I'd like to take this opportunity. We're headed out on the Friday afternoon cruise, but I'd like to take this opportunity to show you one super cool bus, one of the coolest split windows I've been around, had an opportunity to see and get to know and film this bus and its owner, Adam Simpson. Adam's he's a true VW guy. He's been in it a long time, just like myself. Adam, I'd like to personally say thank you for putting on this event. I know it's been stressful. It's a big event. The longest running Volkswagen show in the state of Alabama. So we're headed out on a cruise. Y'all just stay tuned. Thank you. like to say a huge thank you to the owners and the staff of Smoke Magic Family Barbecue. Really great food, and they did an excellent job handling the rush. We all showed up at one time, but they handled it well. It was a great time, great food. If y'all are in the area, in the Tanny Hill State Park area, check them out. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching so far. Now let's dive into the show and look at some really cool Volkswagens. give a little shout out to the water cooled cars. I'm telling you, these things are cool, and this is the future. Man, where'd you get that lanyard? Tell them what that stands for.
That stands for Riverbank Customs.
Riverbank, not River Bend,
Not
Howard.
River Bend, Howard Hillier.
Thank you.